What is difference between name and description? Does it matter? Oh, they both will come in dist.
Na-
Okay, leave it, leave it, leave it.
Name will
Anyway,
be the actual one. Description is your
yeah,
choice. That
yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
count.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, in the
Okay.
quantity function, select right
Hmm.
side, right, in the right side
I
field.
don't. Oh, okay. This is a list of
Yeah.
value. Okay, I'm sorry.
So it is telling that where to put away. Okay, quantity function, sub inventory locator. It should be minimum available capacity by units, volume, and weight. Second from the last.
So what does
So that
this?
is the default.
Go ahead.
So it will check for the minimum available capacity by unit. So basically, it will see for the locator which has less amount of units in it, so that it will tell system that there is few more spaces for other LPN allocations that they can accommodate. Okay.
But do we have to define a capacity for the locators or no need? Because there was a
No,
capacity tab in the locators, right?
yeah, but if you wanted to put some limitation, you can define. But if nothing is there,
Then it will
then
check
that
the.
will
How would it know that look? Oh, it will only check if the locator is empty.
in rule or where you
Now
are
over
asking.
here with this option, how
It will
would it?
check for the already available quantity in that locator. Okay.
Uh-huh.
If there are multiple locators,
Uh-huh.
whichever the locator has least least units or volume or capacity, that it will suggest. But anyways, this is not uh, pinpointed in the rule. We will write our own rule in the conditions. This is just to give the any value in that quantity function, but the rule will get triggered based on our conditions. We
Okay.
will
But
insist.
yeah, go ahead.
We will insist the system to go to a particular sub inventory, go to a particular locator while doing the put away based on our rules,
Okay.
our conditions. So this is just to give
Placeholder.
some value. Yeah, default value.
Okay, but I think this will act as I mean, if it would have been actual usage of it, I think
Hmm.
we can define the locator capacity and there was a locator. I think it will look over there then. That's my thought process. I may be wrong.
Locator capacity, you can you wanted to define it.
No, no, no. What I'm saying is
Hmm.
this particular selection means that only
Hmm.
that it
Hmm.
within that sub inventory and within that locator it will
Hmm.
check the capacity of the locator uh, and
Yeah.
then if and then basically on hand which is already residing in that locator and that way
Hmm.
based
Hmm.
on the capacity it will suggest something. That's my thought process. I may be wrong.
Yeah, yeah, could be. So yeah, but mainly
But right now,
in
yeah.
general warehouses, the capacity won't be defined for the locator purposes.
Yeah,
So
generally
it will
I
be
haven't
blank.
seen. Yeah, yeah, I haven't seen. I mean, we have defined a locator capacity
Yeah,
somewhere. Yeah,
yeah,
go ahead.
because they will not wanted to put any limitation on that locator for further, let's say when they start the warehouse operations and all. So that might create some hindrances for them every time when there is a locator capacity defined and something in the transactions users let's say they find some difficulties putting it into a particular locator, and they do not know that because of these parameters they are getting these restrictions and all. So they'll just keep the locators clean. They wanted to drop wherever they want without any limitation. So maybe that's why the reason they don't define any weights, dimensions, capacity for the locators.
Say this one. Yeah, this one I think
Yeah,
will
dimensions
work.
also will be
Uh,
there. Yeah,
yeah,
correct.
it will work according to. I think so. But anyhow, let's not go to that route. Let's
Yeah.
continue.
So
Okay.
let's create the first condition.
So
Come to
it is
the
a user defined. So this checkbox is checked,
yes,
and
yes.
once I save it, it will enable, right?
After saving it, we will enable this rule.
And then I can say it is for this org or common to all org. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so then now what I
Here,
do?
let's say we have created one storage locator, right? So
Uh-huh.
let's give the destination sub in the object field. In the object field, give destination sub inventory.
Destination.
Destination sub inventory. Okay. Sub inventory name.
SP put away.
Yeah. Sub inventory name.
Okay,
Select.
this is okay, and then
Okay. Equals to
equal to
constant character.
constant.
Do you know remember the sub inventory name?
No, I know all the. Oh, it doesn't show as a list of value.
No. We need to
What?
write it.
What a stupidity! Why? What is stupidity? Why they are not showing it as a list of value?
Because that field we can write expressions also.
Okay, so this is
SBWMS, right? Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
give SBWMS there. Hmm. Save it.
Okay, done.
Click, click on enabled.
Okay, I have to click on this. Okay,
Hmm. So
saved.
now you can create multiple such rules. Okay, this is rule number one. Okay, here you can write conditions in whichever complex way you want. But the thing is, let's continue with the happy flow. So basically, this what we are telling the system, whenever some rule is getting triggered for a put away, this rule checks whether there is any sub inventory or not, and it will just redirect in the we have a put away screen in MSC. Okay, so when you try to do the put away, it will suggest the same sub inventory as per the rule which we have defined right now.
And how this rule gets kicked in because of the do we
Hmm.
have to attach this rule somewhere, or it is like it is done deal by doing this setup? Then anytime
No,
I do a put
this is
away.
not ready yet. This is not ready yet.
Okay,
So I'm just telling this is rule number one. Rule
okay,
number two, let's say if there is no SBWMS sub inventory, so this rule will fail.
yes,
Okay. Rule number two, you will define SBWMS1. The system will check whether SBWMS1 is present or not. Okay. If
okay,
it is there, that rule will get successful. So the sequential way it will check. Okay, just to mm, perform that task, let's create another rule which says rule number two.
okay. For put away only.
Yeah, put away only, so that
Okay,
you can understand the strategy. Close
okay,
this. Click on plus icon.
okay. So let's put
Yeah,
away
put away. Give
SP
the put away to,
rule to
or let's say put away 0.
SP,
Let's
yes,
do
SP put away
rule number 0.
rule 0.
Hmm. Give the same values. Yeah, destination sub inventory. Sub inventory name equals to constant character.
Constant character, and then I can put
Here
any.
you can give the expression in the object. You can give the expression and write your own SQL query in the parameters. So that's why there is no LOV. Okay,
Okay,
that's why they have made it as free text. Okay, let's give the object as constant character.
okay. Constant character.
Yeah. Now
And
here give SBWMS1.
speed W, which doesn't exist. Okay.
which doesn't exist. Okay. Save and enable this.
Enable it.
Okay. Now we have created two
Right,
rules. Now it's a time to attach these two rules for a particular strategy.
right.
Okay. Close this. Go to strategies. Put away strategy.
Okay, this drop down is not working.
No, no, that's not needed.
Okay,
Give your sequence. Rule number 0 and rule number 1. No, sequence is 10.
okay, okay. So I'll tell.
Select 0. Okay.
Yeah, I'll select so that first fails.
Hmm. First fails. Yeah.
What is data type? What is it?
It's calendar period.
Why you have to give this?
Not sure, but defaults are like that. Calendar period. Yeah,
Okay,
maybe it checks for the validity of that effective date and to date
okay.
in that calendar period. Yeah. Give the second rule. Okay. In the third rule, you give the default one, which Oracle has provided. Okay. Give 30 and select, click type default. There is a default put away
First
rule.
one.
Yeah. Yeah. First one. Okay. What it does, it will check the first rule. It doesn't match with the condition which you have provided, then it fails. Okay. Then it comes to
Uh-huh.
the second rule. So in the second rule, you already have the SBWMS sub inventory, then it matches. It will not come to the third rule now. Only
Uh,
when there is no rule which gets satisfied, then the mandatory thing we need to do as part of standard is to give the default put away or default picking rule at the end of your strategy.
so that if none of the rule is working, it takes a
Correct.
default rule.
Correct. Because when there somebody is trying to do the picking or put away, they should not get corrupted with the data because of the rules. So it will get stuck. It will they will fail they'll fail that transaction. The picking
Uh-huh.
on put away transaction will get failed, and they would wonder if why that has been failed. And in the production, you cannot change the rules like that right away. So there is a
Okay.
process for the releases and all. So when something is not working right, they need to figure out in a weekly or monthly implementations to see how it needs to be upgraded further. But that transaction at warehouse level should not fail at any point of time. So that is the main intention. We will give the default one.
So
Okay.
what is can we see the default put away rule? Huh?
We can. There is no restriction in that rule,
Okay, that.
meaning there is no condition at all.
Okay, it's open ended.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See,
Okay, that's it.
it's common to all orgs. You can just
I get it.
select that rule at the end of your strategy.
Because rule is required by like within the inventory org, one sub inventory is required. So that in
Yeah.
similarly in WMS org that you need to have one rule period.
Mm-hmm. Right, right.
Without
Okay,
rule, you
now,
can't work on WMS.
correct. Without rules, there is no transaction that can be done for put away and picking.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Okay, now we have created the strategy. It is the time that we can assign this strategy to the workbench. rules workbench. Okay, you can
Okay.
close this.
So we create, and if I only have one rule,
Hmm.
then I don't need to create a strategy, right?
It is recommended that everything which goes into the workbench, right? It should be a strategy. But
Okay.
rarely you can use the rule as well. There is no restriction as such. But yeah, because one rule will not be recommended, because at least there should be two rules. The other one is the default one.
And
So
I default one, yeah.
when you wanted to add that default one, you
I have
anyways
to
needed the
define a
strategy.
strategy, right.
So you add sequence number one, give a click on plus icon. Hmm. Give you a strategy there. No, click on strategy and give the strategy name in the return value.
Oh,
Did you enable that strategy?
I was thinking, that's exactly I was thinking.
Yeah.
Did I enable it or not? Yeah. Okay, done.
Hmm.
I have to go out, looks like. Okay.
It's not coming.
It will come. Hold on, let me go back.
Yeah.
Let me save it. Create one more one strategy. SP. What the
Maybe
heck?
you haven't saved it. Go to strategies once.
Yeah, I'll go back. I thought I saved it. WMS strategy. What happened, man? Control F11. Okay. SP percentage. Yeah, enabled. Yeah. Good. Huh? Let's go back. I think it should be visible.
Hmm.
Maybe I had to go outside the form. Okay, this is put away. Oh, because it is put away.
Yeah.
That's the reason. Yeah, because I was doing under pick.
No, give as one.
Huh?
Sequence as one, because that matters.
Okay. Oh, it is
So
like,
here
okay.
you can see 3, 4, 500, right? So when you say one, your first strategy will get triggered.
Yeah, this
Okay,
just this one. Huh?
put away. Okay.
Yeah.
So come to right, scroll right, give the always date type here.
Data type is always full date. What does it mean? Oh, at a okay. You want to execute this strategy for a full, for a
Hmm.
particular shift or a week. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So right now it's
Give
always
always. Okay, now you can just check the. You can just you know.
enable it.
Uh, no, don't enable it. You scroll right, scroll left a little bit, and I just wanted to show you the source and
Okay,
transaction type.
okay, get
Click
it.
on transaction source. So
Okay.
yeah.
So this is for a sales order,
Mm.
or this
Here
is
we need
for huh?
come down.
This for
Can
receiving,
you
right?
expand? Just
Yeah,
drag it
yeah. I'll learn.
down.
हाँ कर रहा हूँ वही कर रहा हूँ One second. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. So for come down.
we have to do for
Let's see
receiving, right?
what all options we have. Okay.
Put away.
Uh, yeah. Put away is there.
Purchase order is
Purchase
there.
order. Let's go up. Project contract, move order, mobile internal order, internal requisition.
What
Okay.
is
For
external?
internal order, internal requisition, or put away, you can give these options independently if you have separate strategies for it. So let's say you want separate strategy for internal order. For that
Uh-huh.
internal order, when it is coming to your W1, you wanted to put away that internal order, you can have a separate strategy for
Okay.
that.
Okay. But
For
right now,
internal requisition,
if I don't
if
give
you
this strategy is applicable for every transaction
everything,
type.
yes.
So
So
put
this
away
is
is
what I
only
want.
for put away
Hmm.
is once one when I'm receiving the material into the warehouse and I want to put away,
Correct,
right? So
correct.
what where else the put away will apply?
For sales order also. So if you select the sales order,
Uh-huh.
you wanted to pick and drop into the staging, right? So that is also called put away.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
That is outbound put away. We call it as outbound put away, and this is inbound put away. So if you
Okay.
don't give anything, any transaction type or any transaction source, it will be applicable for every put away. Either it is a sales order, or it can be a inbound, whatever it is.
Is there any put away in manufacturing also?
Manufacturing, I think for assembly and all, they will use, right?
Okay,
Whip, for whip movement and all.
okay, okay.
I'm not sure at manufacturing end, but yeah, they will use this rule as well. Okay, for now, let's select the purchase order for our testing and try that
Okay,
thing first. Okay. In the
okay.
transaction type, the right side. Just see what all options we have. Come
Okay.
down.
Hold on. Okay. Reset.
Hmm. Come down. Okay, now here sir, we are restricting it to a particular thing. Okay, so
Hmm.
here it is internal acquisition, internal receipt. So like that. Come down.
Inventory reset. Inventory.
In transit receipt. Go up.
I thought there would be inventory reset or internal requisition, internal delivery. Okay, let me open this.
Yeah,
Hold
that
on.
is also we can select. But for purchase order specific, I'm just thinking what all options we have.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, I get you. What you're thinking. We are in rules workbench, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I got selected. My bad.
Let's see if anything is there for purchase order.
That's what I'm doing.
Hmm.
Okay, let me do reset. Okay, so now
PO receipt.
PO reset.
Come down. PO, there is a PO receipt.
Receive purchase order, right? This one.
No, PO receipt. Go up.
Yeah, yeah. This is the one. PO reset.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
Yes, Sumir. So
Yes.
yeah, you have selected PO receipt, right? So we are
Yeah.
restricting only this strategy to get
For
applicable
the
only
peer,
for the
the
purchase
peer
order
receiving.
and only for the PO receiving.
I get it.
So that way we can add multiple conditions. If you scroll right side slowly, there are conditions for customer, there are conditions for items. Okay, there is condition for UM class. Scroll left slightly. Here destination sub inventory. So only if the destination sub inventory is a specific, okay, transaction type. So all these are conditions you can restrictions or conditions whatever you call, you can just put it over there, and that strategy only will be applicable for that specific conditions which you provide.
My God, who the heck will staging transfer? Okay. Okay, go ahead. Let's do it this first, at least. Save it
Okay.
and enable it.
Yeah. Enable it and then save. Okay. When you query this, query and come back to put away again. Rules workbench. Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so rules workbench
Hmm.
and then put away.
Yeah.
It will be on the top.
It will be on the top. Okay.
Mhm. Okay,
So now we are good with the setup for the put away.
okay,
Okay. Now
uh,
we will create a task type assignment. There
okay,
is a rule for task type that we will restrict. This is not required, but I wanted to show you that we can create the task types and restrict the system only to return a particular task type for a particular flow for that particular. If there are multiple task types for the picking, let's say you have created SB pick task type, right? So
uh,
if there are SB pick 1, SB pick 2, but you wanted to write the task type rule in a such a way that based on your condition which task type needs to be assigned to a move order line. Okay, let me explain clearly. Once you
uh,
open that rule, close this, go to
uh-huh.
rules form again. But in the standard operations form, you remember, right? For picking, there is only one code, which is SBPK, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's
That's
consider one scenario. There is SBP1, SBPK, SBP2, P3. Everything is for picking.
okay.
So how would system know which one to be assigned to a particular picking task?
Which task type, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Maybe for PK there is a SB department. For P1 there can be any other
Different
SB department
department.
too.
Uh,
Yeah, there can be multiple, but you will write a rule in a such a way that when a particular condition meets, then you return SBPK. If another condition meets, then you return SBP1. So these are all picking task types.
okay.
Okay.
So we have to
Mhm.
define. So my point is still the rule won't work because we haven't assigned to a task type, right?
Yeah, no, it
Huh?
will work. It will work because we have given that default put away task type, right? Or did you give that put away default one in the organization parameter? No, right?
Yes, we gave a default.
No, only we have
Oh
given
no, no, we have put a
PK.
mine. Right. We have changed in organization
Can you open
parameters.
once?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
We changed to mine months, which I defined.
In the warehouse, go to warehouse.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here you need to,
Or put that.
override that default put away rule to your rule.
Okay. So put away rule.
There are two rules, okay?
I don't know which
So
one
if
to take. What rule one?
rule one, yeah.
Hmm.
But generally, in general, there will be a default put away rule only, which was there earlier. But yeah, let's put your.
Okay, now I have my
So go
rule.
to rules. Yeah, go to rules form again. Now give task type. Type as task type.
Type as task type. Okay, task type.
Hmm. New.
Oh, okay, new. Sorry, my bad. Task type. New. Okay.
In the type you give task type. Okay. Write SB task type assignment.
SP task type assignment.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Give the description.
Okay, same thing.
Hmm.
This is for
In the
put away,
return
right?
value,
Right?
put away. Yeah, yeah.
Let me put away. Okay.
So return value.
Uh-huh.
The return value you give.
SP put away rule one.
Yeah. SB put away.
Oh, that was a rule. Okay, this is the task type.
You need to
Okay.
give the weightage. Okay, here. Give weightage first as 100. Down at the bottom.
Oh, okay, okay, at the bottom.
Hmm.
Okay.
So here it is a sequence here. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Higher the weightage, more the precedence, priority.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so
Okay.
this field
Now
will become blank if I go to the second row, huh?
you save it.
Uh-huh.
Saved it, right? Okay.
Uh-huh.
So now let's not put any conditions because we have
Okay.
only one return picking task, right? So if
Mm.
there are multiple, I wanted you to know that based on the conditions, let's say you have written some conditions here. Okay. Only
Uh-huh.
if a particular item is coming, okay, let's say it is dangerous good. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Only there are set of people, set of department that will handle this put away of the dangerous goods. Okay.
Okay.
So you write here the condition saying that if the item identifier is so and so, then that condition satisfies, then this task type assignment rule will assign the SBPW to that particular put away task.
Okay. Hold on.
Only Sumir will can do that put away because it's a dangerous good as per this setup.
So
Hmm.
so when I define the task type under standard
Okay,
operations, okay.
let me share my and tell you clearly in the Excel. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah.
That will help.
Open entire screen. Can you see my screen?
I can, yeah, I'm now seeing your screen.
Okay. Okay. What we have done. At beginning it will be a little bit confusing, but when you go back to that video again and check, try to do some transactions by your own, you will get to understand. So there is a starting. We have defined standard operations, right?
Yes.
Okay, for picking, let's say task type we have defined as pick, and we have given the value called SB
Pick.
PK.
Uh-huh.
Okay, this is
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Let's say we have same task type with picking. Just give a second. Let's say there are multiple.
Yeah,
For
that's what we
picking,
have
we have
to.
defined
Okay.
SBPK1, picking 2. Now, how would system know which one to, because everything will be enabled. How would system know? System will know based on rule. Which rule it is? Task type assignment rule.
Okay, my question is, I have
Hmm.
defined rule strategies and I have said that these rules or this strategy should kick in for this transaction type and this transaction source. right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Now I'm
No,
I'm
that
defining.
that rule is specific to sub inventory. Now we are writing rule for a specific department, like which department needs to do the put away.
Okay. So how would I marry that
Initially,
rule? How would I marry that? Is there any relation between the rule I have defined,
hmm,
or will I marry that rule with this task type assignment rule, or
yes, yes, both will get triggered. Let's say we have created rule number 0, rule number 1 for put away, right? Then
uh-huh,
strategy. Then we have created
right, right,
strategy and attach it to the workbench.
right,
Okay, so now the system will check this way. It will go to workbench, it will check your strategy, and it
uh-huh,
will go to the rule number 0. Okay, this is first rule which we have defined, and this is second rule. The system execution will be the other way around. Creation will be from rule. Okay, in order to create something, we will go this way from top to bottom, but system executes from bottom to top.
yeah. So workbench will tell, oh, for this, I mean,
Yeah.
basically strategy is a combination of rules, and in
Yes.
workbench we are saying execute this strategy for different
Hmm.
kind of filters. It can be transaction type or transaction source. It can be, the way
Yeah.
we have seen. There are so many filters over there, right?
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
workbench will take a data from that workbench also, based on what
Hmm.
filters we have applied. Blah blah. Okay, got it. I'm clear up till this point.
Okay, so now let's say that it went to workbench, it went to your strategy, and it satisfied this condition, rule 1. So, rule
Uh-huh.
1 says go to SBWMS responsibility, right?
Okay.
So, this will tell material where it should go into the inventory. But
Uh-huh.
this rule, the other rule, this is independent rule. You don't need to assign it to any workbench or something like that.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
It is an independent rule, and this
Uh,
will also get triggered by the rules engine. This will tell
okay.
who will perform this particular task by putting
Oh,
it away
okay.
to SBWMS. Who will do it? Okay, either this person will do, or this department will do, or this
Oh,
department
okay,
will
okay.
do.
I got it. I got it. So basically here I'm giving the assignment of this
Huh.
particular rule. Okay. That
So the
which
rule, the name itself says that it's a task assignment rule.
okay, basically task is nothing which operate basically which standard operation will do it, and to that operation which
Yeah, yeah,
resources are attached, and then it will
yeah.
send this task to that particular
Correct,
resource,
correct.
which is,
So
and
for the
then in
most
turn it will send to me because I'm employed with that resource. Okay.
correct, correct. So in the move order, there is a task type column. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
there in the WMS workbench, if you open the WMS workbench, so I can show you the task type to which department it got assigned. So there is a column there. So let's go step by step. Otherwise, it will get
No, no, no.
confused.
Yeah, don't jump. Yeah, don't jump.
Yeah. So basically, this will be on the just for this conversation. Just remember that for put away task, this person or this department will get assigned for that task. Okay, that will be shown in the WMS control board. Just remember
Okay.
this.
Okay. Okay.
Later on, once we create the put away task, I will walk you through the WMS control board and show you how the task will be and how the task type will get assigned to that order line or the task line. So that
Okay.
way you will be clear. Okay, for
Okay.
now, you have assigned this, defined this rule, right? By returning the SBPK.
Right, 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 right.
Okay, can you show me again?
Yeah, yeah. I'll show you. 1 second.
Hmm.
Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. Okay. Share. Okay,
Yeah.
so I will go to this. Okay, so I was on the task type assignment,
Okay, enable this. Enable this.
uh, enabled it.
Save it.
Yeah, so it will. Okay, now.
Done. Now every setup is done only for the put away. That is
So
also
now,
inbound.
okay,
Hmm.
now where I'm telling to the system that
Hmm.
this department, this task type
Hmm.
is I, I'm not doing any marriage of that particular. I can because if the workbench is, if there is a strategy, so I want that this department execute only that strat. I mean, my point is now it is open, but I can mention that this department
Hmm.
will execute that particular strategy, right? I can do that also, right?
No, strategy is independent. This is independent. So when there is a strategy, only tells about the conditions where it needs to put away. This rule tells about the condition to which standard task type it should assign. So you can see it's
Who
a
will
SB
perform?
put
Who will
away.
perform? Who will perform it,
Who
right?
will perform? Correct,
No,
correct.
but
Hmm.
right now, uh, because this was
So
defined as a
the
put
the
away.
only
Huh?
the let me clear, the only intention here for this rule is to return the return value. If you see the return value, no matter how many conditions you write, restrictions you write, it should return only SBPW, meaning that task type will get returned only if the conditions get satisfied. So in
But
the restrictions you can write hmm,
because this is the only this is the
output.
because when no because I have defined this task type as a put away task, right?
Correct,
But if
correct.
I would have defined multiple
Hmm.
task put away task types, is it
Yeah,
possible?
yeah. It is possible if there are multiple put away tasks, you need to write multiple task type assignment rules. With the
Okay.
sequence 100, now it is 100, right?
Uh-huh.
The next task type will be 90, meaning
So
it will
then
check. Hmm,
then how would it know that which put away rule
hmm,
it has
hmm.
to, oh, because based on the weightage.
Let's consider this
You're
way.
getting
Okay,
my question,
this
right?
weightage has 100. This weightage has 100. Okay, let me share again.
Yeah,
Okay.
just share it, and then I'll compose my question because you are already.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you see now?
Yeah, because right now this is, yeah, I can see
Hmm.
it. Because right now this
SB.
all the setups which I did, rules, strategy, workbench for a put away, uh, i-
Hmm,
whenever uh, whenever the rule will fire, it will say that this this task will be performed by SB
hmm,
PW. Okay, okay.
yeah,
But
yeah.
if I have a SB PW1,
Hmm.
how would it choose which task type assignment it has to how would it choose which task type assignment, SBPW or SBPW1?
Okay. So we have a rule restriction.
Uh-huh.
So in the similar way, the where you write the conditions in the put away rule, you can write the rule restrictions in this rule also. So first it will check, because it's a 100 weightage, it will come to this if it is a put away. Okay, it needs to match the rule restriction. Let's say what I'll try, the item should be, if item is 1 2 3 4 5, then you assign the SBPW task type to that put away task. Okay, if the user, so all these are restrictions, who is doing it. Okay, if there is any other sub inventory. Okay,
So
if
this I
you
have to
wanted
put
to,
the rule restriction in the task type assignment rule,
yes,
and will
based on the
this
restriction. Okay,
okay.
let's see if there are 5 6 7 8 9. So item, based on item, for simple explanation, if the restriction matches, if the put away is happening for this item, okay, it will check the rule restriction. Yes, it is matching the conditions. Then it will return the SBPW for that task type. If it is not matching, the next available weightage is 90. So it will check what is the item. So if it is 56789 and not 12345, then if it is 56789, then it satisfies and
So
returns
this,
the SBPW1.
so it will check the restriction at the rule
Correct, correct,
task type assignment
correct,
rule.
correct.
Okay.
Restrictions are the main criteria. The rule, the system will check whether what needs to
So
be returned.
so basically my rules are wide open. There is no
Mm,
restriction to it. But in task type
mm,
assignment rule, I have defined a restriction of item. So
mm,
when the rule will get fire, it will check,
mm,
oh,
mm.
and then it will go to the task type assignment, and it will only assign to
Yeah,
SPBW if
yeah.
the if that transaction has this item.
Correct.
Okay.
Now we did not assign any rules here. So default is SBPW because we have only one put away task, okay, created in the standard task types. So this will get returned all the time
Mm-hmm. Okay,
because
so
we do not
only
have any
only with the
other task.
restrictions I can assign different put away task type
Correct.
assignments. Okay.
But in general, I'm just trying to explain you. In general, there will be only one picking task in the warehouse, one put away task. So they don't want it to complex these things. Just for as per the course, I just wanted to tell you that this is possible. There
Okay.
can be multiple task types, but
Task
in
type
general,
assignment rules for this put away or picking, right?
correct. Yeah.
And we can only control
So
them
it's a
who will,
feature.
yeah,
Hmm.
we can only control them based on which department will do
Rules.
it, which operation
Hmm.
will do it based on the
Hmm.
rule
Rule
restrictions.
restrictions.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay, I get it.
But in general, warehouses will not complicate their operations by doing all these setups. Only one, as per my knowledge from last few years, there will be only one picking, one put away, and one only one department. Maybe department is different for picking and department is different for put away. But yeah, only one department.
Okay. So right now, if I put some, okay, so I'm not putting any restriction. So this is
Hmm.
open wide for any condition.
Yeah.
For it will always go to any put away will go to this only.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are done, Sumir. We just need MSCA now, just to try our luck whether everything is working fine or not.
So this let me check with this lady if she's
Hmm.
uh, so my
Yeah.
I have to send a message to her. What is time over there?
It's 9 a.m.
Oh, she said 11.
Okay. Okay, it's okay now. You can go through this video recording if she shares with you. Can we
Uh-huh.
connect evening my time, maybe your mornings?
Yeah, tell me what time will you want to connect tomorrow morning?
Uh, Tomorrow morning your time, maybe mine would be around 6 p.m. What would be your time if it is
Hold
India 6 p.m.?
hold on. Let me check. Hold on. Let me. So your is India. India. So you are on you're already 31st, right?
Yeah, 31st.
Alright, 31st. You're saying 6 p.m., right?
Uh-huh.
No, you're 6 p.m. So it's you're Saturday, right? So
Yeah,
6,
Saturday.
5:30, so 8 a.m. 7:30, 7:30, 7:30 a.m. for me.
Okay, is it fine, or can I can stretch till 8:30 p.m. also?
8:30 is 10. Okay, so we can.
Hmm.
Oh, you can start at 8:30.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's do 8:30,
Okay, then 8:30 p.m.
which is
IST, and
yeah,
which
which
is
is 10 a.m. for me.
10 a.m. Okay, okay. Sure.
Okay,
Then we'll
okay,
connect at 8:30 p.m. Let's see if by that time this MSCI gets up.
okay. Okay. I'll just message her that we are connecting tomorrow, 10 a.m. At
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
8:30 p.m. We are
Yeah.
connecting today again at 8:30 p.m. India
Yes.
time. But so make sure
Mm.
that MSC is up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Works.
So yeah, this session, Sumir, I think you can go through multiple times. Then only you will understand clearly. Maybe you are okay with this flows which I have shown you right now. But when you do couple of times by your own, then only you will
Uh, uh,
understand end-to-end flow, right? That will give you more clarity. But yeah, once we do the put away transaction and the picking transactions and all, you can, maybe the instance will be given to you for your own testing, then you can just try with multiple scenarios.
okay.